Good day, everyone. Today I'll be presenting our system titled Interactive Online Platform with SMS notifications for students taking on-the-job training. To start using the system, a student needs to have an account. The OJT coordinator is responsible for registering the student, and once registered, the student can access the system using their student ID as the username and the password formatted as BC followed by their student ID. After successfully logging in, the student is directed to the dashboard. The dashboard is designed for easy navigation and efficient management of students' activity. It includes navigation sidebar. It displays the student's profile, the dashboard, company placement, attendance, task report, and settings. Next is the header section. It provides quick access buttons and a logout option. Next, the summary cards. It shows the requirement status, company placement, and total hours rendered. And for the main content area, left container displays the coordinator contact information and the reminder section with essential guidelines. On the right section, here are the grade records. You can also view the student details and the requirements table for document submission. Now, let us upload our requirements for us to apply to the companies. If your requirements are incorrect or there are some issues, your coordinator will notify the student via SMS. After we completed our requirements, now we can proceed to company placement to apply for companies. Let's try to apply here. Now, as you can see, our application now is pending. Now we will wait for the company to accept our application. Once we are accepted by the company or the HTE, we can see it here, and now we can go to the attendance page to submit our daily attendance. You are required to submit a photo as a proof of your attendance that will be checked by the HTE representative. Now you can see the daily time record here. You can see that the status is pending, and you can print it like that. So once your attendance has been accepted by the HTE or has been approved, you can now go to task report page to make your daily task report. You can upload image and submit. Here you can see the submitted submitted task reports. You can view, download, and edit. Let's view it. Or you can download or edit. You can also download it. When you want to submit the timeout, you can go to attendance page and submit timeout, and you can see it in the daily time record, which is here. If you want to change your password or your profile picture, you can go to settings page. Here you can update your password and choose your profile picture. Here you can see your profile picture has been updated, and now your password has been also updated. Now that the demo is complete, you may now evaluate our system by honestly rating each criteria in the evaluation form while following the guidelines. Your feedback is greatly appreciated.